Hello teacher, hello classmates. Today I'm going to present materials when heated. So we're going to use water and we're going to absorb the water to see what it turns into. Let's wait what will happen. When water is heated, the water will boil, then it will turn into smoke, and it's called evaporation. Now that the water is hot, we know what will happen when the water is heated. It will boil and it will turn into smoke. Now we're going to use sugar and coffee and then pour it and then put it into the cup. Now that we are going to mix it, the sugar and coffee is solid. Then if you put it into hot water, it will turn into liquid. Bye guys.